Hello guys, BeginerTrader here. Let's start next transmission after short break. So we can open our Excel files. Our challenge, as you see, Saturday 4th of December, we close on the stop loss after fill, and Ethereum closed. I decided to make a trade break because of Bitcoin situation, and today I decided to start again because we see some moves and I think there will be a good time right now. Remember that all what I show you is not financial advice, it's just my opinion on the market situation. Today we have 35, so 14% on plus. I open Alice on entry price 13.78 and ENJ entry price 2.59. ENJ we get take profit, and I will show you now on the chart. Let's start from Bitcoin. I put here two zones. If we close down of that, I think we can make next moves down. And now I think we will be between these two zones. If we close up of that, there should be next move up, but if we will close off that zone, there can be next moves down and up. Okay, ENG. As you see, entry price was here, and we get take profit on that position. Stop loss almost same space. Okay, Alice. Here is our entry price. We down of that right now. Here we was not far from stop loss, but Bitcoin is on good level, and I hope we will follow the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will be going up. Take profit in here, and now just need to wait. Okay. I put all of my position on the Telegram channel, so if you want, you can join. Link is on description. As you see, I put the moves in here: Alice, ENJ, ENG, take profit. Okay, coin 360, green color today. Most of the altcoin are green. Bitcoin 3.79% on plus from yesterday. Ethereum almost same, 3.71. Binance coin 2.61. Luna almost 6%. 7.35. Here QNT, nice grow, 33%. Link 5.51, mana 7.36. Almost all of the altcoins are green. Fear and Greed Index, Fear today 27 level. Yesterday was Extreme Fear 16 points, last week as well. Extreme Fear and Greed was last month. I hope we'll be on that level soon. Okay. As you remember, we try to get 10% every day, because if we will do that, we will have really nice profit. Here is perfect model. So as you see, if we will follow that profit after 11 days, we should have $116, and we can check. Okay, here 90 days, 239,000, and 120 days is 4 millions. So really nice profit, but it is really hard to get that, because as you see, if the market is hard to play, we have a minus position, but I hope from now we will be on plus. Okay, if you want, I can share with you with these two files, because here you can put all of your position, and on the graph you can see how the profit and loss you have. I put all the position playing in here, so I remember which one gave me profit and which one I lost. If you want, will be really nice for me to leave a like on the YouTube, subscription, and if you like the content, you can leave a small donation. On the description I leave the link, and I will develop the channel. I will try to be better and show you these things in better way. So I think for today it's all. Thank you very much, and I will leave an update in next days. So see you, and thanks again.